Finding the text on your Android phone too small to read comfortably? You can easily adjust it. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your text bigger so everything is clearer and easier on the eyes. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your settings, tap on display, tap on font size and style. You can select different font styles by tapping on font style. You can also bold your font by toggling this option on here. To increase the font or text size, you can slide the bar here from small to big, and the preview will be shown here. Push all the way to the right to select the biggest font size available for your phone. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.